Hello, model car fans and friends, and welcome to Miller's Model Shop. Today I'm going to show you a 57 Chevy that I built for a friend of mine. This will be going to my friend Carla. This is her dream car. She always loves a 57 Chevy, and so I told her I would build it. I did the little decals that come with the car. I put them on the front and put the background in the display case that I bought had a background. But this turned out really well. This is the same color she wants on her dream car and everything. And she's actually been hunting for a real one to buy. It turned out very nice, very detailed. This kit, I enjoyed building it. I enjoyed building it so much I bought one for myself. I just used Future Floor Polish to polish it. I didn't go to an extreme. And yes, I want to apologize that I've changed my name 3 times and it's been forever getting a video out, but I'll get to that in a minute, because what has happened is this is my new model car shop, you might say. Miller's Model Car Shop. And so I'm busy trying to get everything packed and moved because I'm limited on space and it looks horrible. But I'll give you a little view of all the horrible stuff I'm dealing with in a moment. I'm not a fan of the original air cleaner, so I changed the air cleaner to give it a little more chrome look. But this car turned out absolutely fantastic. I'm very proud of it. And when she comes to see me, it'll be going home with her. The bottom, it's normal. You know, there wasn't nothing pretty much stock other than the air cleaner. So that is that. I don't want to have him do it. So, and then I decided, I don't have my can in here, but Rust-Oleum has different color shifts. And they got some at Walmart, and I happen to work there and stuff. But this was Rainbow Shimmer Color Shift Paint. I don't know if it'll show up on here or not. But anyway, it like glitters in the light. I don't think I can get it to here. But trust me, it glitters in the light. And it looks really cool. I mean, I put it on this car and then I thought, well, you know what? It's actually got more of a probably 60s, 70s vibe to it. And I've also been working on an Etzel, which I painted the same as the 57. But this is going to be the one from American Graffiti. I want to do this in like the Etzel that was in American Graffiti. And it turned out quite well. It's got a couple of spots, but it's good enough for me. And now I guess I'll give you the tour of the chaos. Let me get this working. Oop, almost dropped you there. But anyway, let's see if I can turn this thing around. I guess not. I got a few Hot Wheels. I don't really collect Hot Wheels. I just think they're cool. And so I see a cool one, I'll buy one. But those up there, if you can see, there's my two. There's a 1/16 generally, and then Buddy Baker's Charger. And the rest of these, let's see. Most of the model kits, as far as the cars, are sealed. I think this one's open, and I think that one's sealed. And the Star Trek's open, and the Razor Crest is open. But that's my work table, if you can see it there. Kind of having to do this in a weird way. And as you see, there's a stack of my models over here, which I will be going through soon. And then all this is models. And then there's just stuff everywhere. There's more models over here. As you can see, maybe you can, my shaky camera work there. You see those? I will get better at this once I get some better equipment and stuff. And yes, I like Star Wars. I'm a big Star Wars fan. So I got a few of those things. But there's kits in there I want to go over with and show you eventually. Anyway, let's get back to the bench because my camera work is horrible today. And I'll show you just a few to add to my stash that I got. I already have one of these, but it was cheap, so I wound up with another Hot Wheels. 2010 is the same as the Camaro I own, so, you know, can't go wrong there. I also picked up from a friend of mine. He sold me this Tom McEwen Top Fuel Dragster. Cool kit. Very cool kit. Now, I've been keeping it sealed and debating. Eventually, I will probably build it. But until then, I'll just keep it sealed. And this is not a car, but I had this when I was a kid. Kitty Hawk, the Wright Brothers plane. I found one of these when I was a kid at a yard sale, and I remember getting it, and I loved it. It was already built.